Okay guys, we have to open this cover first. We have to remove this cover. It have a plastic locks. You need to unscrew it, and then you'll just pull the lock out. You have to do this for all the locks over here. Okay, now we unlock it all. Now we have to just remove the cover. Okay, in order to remove this one so we can make a hole in it for fixing the camera, we have to open this 4 screws over here and here and here. Don't forget to unplug the plate number light switches, both of them. After you unscrew and unzip the locks, then you have just to take it out. So now we are going to connect the black to the negative. And then the red along with the another red wire which comes positive with the video cable. We have to put them first both in the positive side. Here it's white, in other cars it might come red color. Make sure that will not be loose. So our cables now is ready. In order to fix the camera over here in place, we have to make a hole. We are using the, for our camera size is 21 mm, so we are using the saw of 21 mm. Depends on your camera size. If your camera is different size, then you have to use different saw size. Now we will just put the camera. All you have to do is just push it inside and then it will lock. You can turn it to adjust the side you want. And now we'll fix it back in place and make our cable connections, the video, and then the power. and they are gonna be all inside. We have to just lock it inside and put back the cover. We push the cable from here to the car cabin, straight all the way. We bore it now through the tunnel here in the door cell, and now finally we push the wire from inside here with our plastic spring. Then we have to pull it. It's already here. Now we can put back our rubber as it was. Okay, now we will take the cable through from behind the glove box, going straight to over here behind our monitor, and then we will fix it at the back side. So we got the cable already from behind the AC vents and the glove box, and then we'll connect it here to our video output. And don't forget to connect this wire to the back, which is reverse for the back camera. We connect this wire, we'll tape it,
from above. Everyday void seems turning into love song.